Next, we will explain our installation process. Now we're going to put our welding torch next. Install with the welding torch body. Okay, let's attach the neck and body of the welding torch tightly. Next, install our wire feeding tube. Straighten the welding torch body before installing the wire pipe. Install the wire feeder now. First, you have to unscrew this connector. Now plug in the wire feeding tube. Now let's tighten the connector. Now the installation process is complete. Next, connect our welding torch to the wire feeder. Now connect the cable between our welding torch and the wire feeder. Tighten it. This is the control line of our welding torch. This is our pathway. Tighten. This is the tail of our welding torch. We first connect the tail of the welding torch. Tighten. Insert the corresponding color of our inlet and return water separately. Next, I will explain to you the cable on the wire feeder. This power cord is connected to the positive electrode of our welding machine. The cyan line here is our tracheal cylinder. The blue pipe here is our intake pipe. Red is our return pipe. This is the signal line of our wire feeder. Connect the corresponding connector according to our color. Then plug in our positive wire and tighten it. This is the signal line of the wire feeder. Tighten. The signal cable of this wire feeder should be connected at this position. Next, we plug in the welding power source. Control line with control box. Tighten our end into this hole. Next, connect the ground wire to our power supply. Tighten. Above our welding power sources, the installation process with the wire feeder has ended. Disassembly works in reverse.